Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo singles. Ayan. Take only what resonates, guys. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman talaga natin makukuha lahat ng Virgo. Ang energy ng mga Virgo single sa mundo. Okay lang yon kasi may mga next readings pa naman tayo. Okay. Ano ang mga messages for Virgo singles, please? For Virgo singles, please. Okay. For Virgo singles. Six of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you may mga tutulong sa'yo. Or vice versa, ikaw itong may mga tutulungan. I am seeing someone na malayo sa'yo. There's this like energy of giving something to someone. The Magician. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ikaw ito magbibigay ng something sa someone. Some sort of investment or para mas mag-grow pa. Maybe you are investing, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo pwede may mga pinag-aaral ka na eh. Pero yung iba pwede may mga pag-aaralin ka. Or you will invest into something na pwedeng may makikinabang dito sa investment mo na to. Okay? Or yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may bibilhin ka na something na pwedeng itong bagay na ito ay makakatulong dun sa iba or sa taong yon para mas madagdagan yung skills niya, mas magaling siya. Okay? So, that could be anything. Some of you, that could be may kinalaman sa career or sa business. And then, may mga makikinabang dito kasi mas gagaling or may matututunan sila out of that. Tell me more. For singles, please. You do have here the Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and one more card. The Moon. Oh, I can see two people. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. The Empress. In the future, may dalawang taong nagpapakita dito. And you are the Empress. You are someone na parang they really do like. And but sa iyo pwedeng mas nagfo-focus ka sa not being open sa love, although you really do like to have a new beginning sa love, but mas importante ang sarili mo, which is okay lang. You're taking your time. Parehong may magandang offer itong mga taong ito for you, but tell me about the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups, you do have here the Emperor. What's with the Queen of Pentacles? Three of Cups. Some of you, there's a person in the past coming back. And there's an energy naman din ng communication with the Emperor. That is Aries energy. It is like a person na marami kayong similarities, pagkakapareho. And there's a new love na magiging masaya para sa'yo. Ayan, the sun is here. So, wait lang guys. So, hindi ko alam, nag-stuck yung aking video. Hindi na video yung, hindi na nagalaw yung camera. Pero, I will just continue the reading. Then, titignan ko mamaya, i-rewatch ko na lang kung nag-record naman yung sounds. Ang importante yung sounds na makinig ka na lang, ano. And, ayan, naghang yung pinaka-video. But anyway, nakakita tayo ng magandang love for you, nakakita tayo ng magandang relationship for you na paparating in the near future. There's this possibility na itong person na ito ay magkaroon ng mas malalim na connection sa inyo and maybe even contract sa inyo. And but you know, hindi ka dapat magmadali. The energy here is that this connection, this relationship, kailangan malaman mo muna ng buong buo yung katotohanan regarding dito. And pag natanggap mo yung katotohanan, I feel like some of you kailangan mo mag-ingat regarding something. Parang wag ka dapat magmadali kasi baka pag nalaman mo yung totoo, it will be hard for you. I mean, yung iba nagtatanong, alin sa kanila, sino sa kanila? Honestly, pareho kong nakakita ng potential na may chance. But who is the person na may chance na ma-achieve mo or makuha mo yung pangarap mo in the future? Like some of you, gusto mong maging successful, gusto mong ma-achieve ito, maging ganito, ganyan. Sino yung person na nakikitaan mo na may chance na makuha mo yung pangarap na yon habang nandito yung person na to? Okay? You do have here the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. The Five of Cups. Some of you, wag mong gamitin yung iyong emotion sa pagdedesisyon, but rather, ang gamitin mo is yung utak mo. Okay? So, yon, binibigyan na kita ng clue. Sino ang sa utak mo, yung tingin mo na dapat na piliin dito sa dalawang to. Because, definitely, itong utak mo na ito, ang dapat mong gamitin for now. No? Dahil ang tendency, pwedeng masaktan ka lang sa huli, or ang tendency, pwedeng hindi mo ma-achieve yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve, and then, of course, that would lead into you na nasasaktan, nalulungkot, ano? So, kung sino dito sa dalawang to, you have to be more wise, no? Kasi nakakita tayo ng challenge or problem pagdating sa marriage or pakikipagrelasyon. So, tendency na yung iba sa inyo mali ang mapili or may pagsisisi. So, you have to think twice and galingan mo sa pagpili. Okay. But there's a potential of marriage there. Yan, especially with the Justice card. There's a potential of marriage. Kaya lang maaaring maging stressful para sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.